If I was a reader of this book, what would be the key message? What's the key takeaway from this book? Each of you. Well, let's see. What should it be? Oh, and also, I want to know from Mill, what should we look forward to? Like, what's new? What's coming out? Any new exciting things? So let's start with Karl.
My summary is you should buy both books, the business user guide as well as the configuring, and you will get a lot of tips. You heard the count of the business user guide, more than 300 tips. You got a lot of tips and tricks, do's and don'ts for your daily business and for your configuring the system.
Perfect. What about you, Marcus?
Well, I would say combine the data, the processes, and the technology, but keep it simple. Do not over-engineer it. Keep it simple, and then your user will love you.
Oh, I totally agree. So what about in the future? What are some new things you think are coming out? What should we be looking forward to? I can only imagine. I mean,
AI,
AI is making it
AI.
so crazy. I know. Now everybody's
All
just gonna be sitting around, oh, AI.
all in on an AI. Yeah. Also, our roadmaps changed a lot because we develop really a lot of AI functions. So 8 agents will be delivered until October, I guess.
Hmm.
And so the customers can use it. Right now, they're shipped just to early adopters, but there were more than 600 customers who wanted to use it, but we can just deliver it to a few of them. So a lot of customers really are interested in these ones. And whenever I test it or try it, it's really amazing. It's changing the whole world about the discussion about user interface. Fiori apps will be needed, but it's an additional way to Fiori apps and SAP GUI. Because you just talk to the system and it delivers information about your equipment, about your history of the equipment of your assets. So it's really amazing. So you don't need like 20 transactions to get this information out of the system. You just ask the system and it's collecting it itself. So it's quite helpful. It will maybe reduce the work of the planner, for example, make their life easier and give them more time to really fix the assets. That's my hope.